We're going to get started using demographics, which can be used in any session within the Bravo zone. I'm using Tally. I'm playing Tally here in individual mode, and by default it's just going to list the top 10 players. But I want to actually list them by division. When the session starts for each individual, they're going to answer a question from a drop-down list of what division they're assigned to, and that's how we're going to display the results. Let's go into the Bravo zone and see how we set this up. I'm in this Tally session. You see I got to set up the individuals, but down here we have participant requirements, so I'm going to have them put a name in, but I set up demographics, and when you get a chance it says add demographic. I named it division, and what they're going to get, which you see over here, is a drop-down list. They're going to go ahead and assign themselves to whatever division they're in. And the same applies to years of service. Well, that's a quick overview. As always, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@c3softworks.com.